1. Low refrigerant charge. Cause: leaks or undercharging reduce cooling efficiency. Effect: compressor works harder, leading to overheating. 2. Dirty or blocked condenser coils. Cause: dust, dirt, or debris restricts heat dissipation. Effect: compressor can't expel heat efficiently, causing overheating. 3. Faulty capacitor. Start run. Cause: weak or failing capacitor causes high amp draw. Effect: motor struggles, leading to excessive heat buildup. 4. Insufficient lubrication. Low oil. Cause: oil leak, lack of maintenance. Effect: increased friction and heat inside the compressor. 5. Poor airflow. Ducts, fan issues. Cause: clogged filters, blocked vents, or bad condenser fan. Effect: reduced heat exchange, compressor overheats. 6. Refrigerant overcharge. Too much refrigerant. Cause: overcharging increases system pressure. Effect: compressor overworks, leading to overheating. 7. Short cycling. Frequent on and off cycles. Cause: bad thermostat, oversized unit, or electrical issues. Effect: compressor doesn't cool down between cycles. 8. Restricted refrigerant lines. Clogged filter dryer or TXV issues. Cause: clogged filter dryer or capillary, malfunctioning expansion valve. Effect: high pressure, forcing the compressor to overheat. 9. Electrical issues. Voltage fluctuations, bad wiring. Cause: loose connections, voltage spikes, or damaged wires. Effect: motor overheats due to irregular power supply. 10. Defective thermal overload protector. Cause: failed or worn-out overload switch. Effect: compressor doesn't shut off before overheating. Bonus: excessive ambient temperature. Hot weather. Cause: high outdoor temps strain the system. Effect: compressor struggles to cool, leading to overheating.